Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Make sure the SIM is active and properly seated, and confirm airplane mode is off. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and enable mobile data if it's off. You should see the carrier name and signal bars. If you don't, restart the phone now to refresh the modem. Restarting clears temporary faults and forces the device to re-register with the network, so do it before diving deeper. Next, you'll check and fix APN and network modes because most data failures are configuration issues. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then APN. Compare the values to your carrier's exact settings and correct fields like APN, MMS, username, and password. Make sure network mode is set to auto, LTE/3G/2G, so the phone can pick the right band. Once done, save and select the edited APN. If data still fails, reset network settings to restore defaults and try again. Finish by updating carrier settings and the Android system. Updates often include modem fixes and provisioning tweaks. Then test in safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks data. If data works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. If problems persist, remove and reinsert the SIM or try a different SIM to isolate hardware. Finally, call your carrier to confirm account provisioning. Make sure they've enabled data on your plan. If they confirm everything, request a SIM replacement as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.